Do you want to organize your apps into folders? I can show you how. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're looking for technology tips, tricks, and tutorials, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to organize your apps into folders to clean up your home screen on your iPhone or iPad. Let's jump over to my phone and get started. Folders organize similar apps into groups, saving space on your home screen. Let's take a look at a few more examples. Here's my social folder containing all my messaging apps. Next, my games folder. Here's the folder where I store all my third-party keyboards. Here's my photo and video folder, as well as 3 apps I used for YouTube. Let's create a new YouTube folder. Long press on one of the apps and drag it over top of another. As you can see, the folder is created. Add as many apps as you need to by repeating this process. Notice that the folder is named Photo and Video. This isn't correct. Open the folder, clear the name, and type YouTube in the field. Tap Done and then press the home button to clear the X's. The YouTube folder is now named correctly. As you can see, when you get a notification, the red circle will appear at the top right corner of the folder. To check the notification, tap the folder to open it. Press or tap the home button to return to the home screen.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
In a moment, you'll see a few of my videos appear on screen. Feel free to check them out, and we'll see you in the next one.